All right, we're here at 5009 Sound Avenue. We are at the T. It looks like a core tap connection with the 6-inch going downstream. You can see the upstream and the downstream on this frame. We're going to go ahead and pull it back. We're approximately 78 feet away from the clean out in the downstairs shower. So we're going to go ahead and pull it back right now. The composition is going to be concrete. And it looks like there's really good condition for concrete sewer pipe. In fact, I can't believe it's that good. Here, go ahead and push back. You can just see this root here real quick. It's a small root. It looks like it's next to a downspout tie-in right there. It's all black. Just I don't know, maybe some type of like moss or something like that. Strange. Anyways, pull back. You can see, you look at the wear patterns and stuff. You know, it's never really been blocked up here because it's on grade. So the people who lived here did not drink soda pop. Otherwise, you can see all the aggregate exposed would be all down. See that the whole entire frame would just, you know, you wouldn't see anything clear. Okay, slow down real quick because we're going to come into the transition. Come back. This is going to be the next 10 feet to transition. Go back. There's the transition right there. So the transition with the concrete looks really good. It's all intact. There's no problem with it at all whatsoever. Go ahead and pull it back. Put in the cast iron now.